Go.
What? Alarm clock. Alright, let's hope that scene worked out great. Welcome to another video. We're gonna be doing a tech destruction video today, or I guess tonight. It's dark out. And I have eye protection glasses, so that nothing flies at me. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the show. I'm gonna go set my phone down over here. Because we are not tech destroying my phone. Alright. Let's look at the damage. As you can see, this thing is about to fall off. Does the little thing still move? Hey, look, it still wiggles. Look at that. You can still change the channel if you wanted to. I wouldn't try. This thing is broken. Alright. I'm gonna be doing some durability tests. Durability test number 1. Basic drop. Ooh. It's not a part of it. That's just a leaf. Woo! Nothing seems to be really different. Other than this. Yeah, there's some pieces of plastic missing now. Any damage on the bottom where I dropped it? Not really. Okay, I'm gonna do another basic drop. But this drop is gonna be right on the front. So hopefully it'll do some damage. Basic drop. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yes! It came off. Look at that. Woo! Yeah. This thing is already dying, and I only did 2 basic drops. Stupid cord. What are you stuck on? There you are. The screen is a little tilted. You can see some technology there. See if you can look closely at that. Yeah, it's already falling apart. Hey, look! That still moves. Imagine we get to the last durability test and this thing still moves around. I can literally touch it now. I can. Ooh, that's. Oh, yeah. Alright. Now. I don't care where this lands. We're gonna do a high drop test. I'm gonna be safe, and I'm gonna throw it up, and I'm gonna run away so that it doesn't hit me on the head and I die. Alright, here goes nothing. Ooh. Yikes. Look at that. That piece has a little more damage. And this, ooh, I don't know where the screen went, but it's definitely gone. This screen's still here. Oh my god. It still goes! Barely. Is there some rubber band in there? Can't tell. Alright. Now it's time for me to slam it onto the ground. From these stairs, of course. Ooh, that sounded bad. Whoa! We got some broken pieces of glass, or not glass, plastic. Sorry. What's this? Oh, that's just the power cord. look. Dangerous electronics. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Now that is rough. Oh, yeah. This thing is already dying. Alright. I'm gonna set it down here. And it is time for small shovel. See if this does anything. Whoops. Well, I guess the shovel loses. Whoops. My bad. Over here. Alright. Hopefully this shovel can actually survive. This one looks much beefier and better. Let's get some damage on the power cord. Nothing. Whew. This power cord's strong. What a strong, useless piece of plastic. Ooh, electronics. It's basically just the same as last time. Oh my god. Oh mitt. Oh mate. It's time for the swivel to break. Yeah. Ooh, this thing I can. Alright, we're out of the durability test. Now I just want to smash it. It's hammer time. Ooh. Ooh, a lever switch. How nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Look at that. Ooh, that's some damage on the wood. Button still works. And by works, I mean presses down. Wow. This thing is sweet. Oh, speaker. Huh. Well, you can see through it now. I can see you guys. And by the way, the reason I'm smashing this is because a while back, my grandma was using it, and one day it failed on her when she most needed it, and basically it just didn't work anymore. So she's mad at it, and I decided to take it and smash it and durability test it. Alright. Let's make sure the speaker is dead. Easy. Ugh. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, baby. That's the actual speaker. Get it out. I could rip this tumorous thing off. Alright. Look at that. There's the screen. Ooh. Ooh. Technology. Ooh. This is busted. I want to see if I'm able to rip this cord off. Make sure this thing has no signs of life. I want it to be dead. That doesn't seem to be working. Whatever. I'm just gonna destroy the plug. It didn't work. I gotta set it down first. It's probably better to do this on concrete. Just like that. It's so big. It's so funny. Look at it, guys. It's like a little pinchy. It looks like it has like a little mouth there. Woo! Hey, look. The screen. It looks like it survived. I'm not gonna let that happen to it. Come here, screen! Ooh, I heard something fly. Safety first, kids, and anybody else who wants to do this. But seriously, please ask permission from a trusted adult before doing this, like I did. Ooh. Here. Want some chips? Ooh, don't eat these. That will kill you. Let's destroy this cover, shall we? Ooh. I do not want to be touching that. Those are shards of glass. Woo! Ooh. I'm gonna walk away now. If shards of glass come flying at you, you need to make sure you're protected or you will hurt yourself. Luckily, it was just a quick thing. It just flew at me, at my finger. Luckily, it's not bleeding or anything. I think I'm fine. And that is why you need permission from a trusted adult before doing this. Trust me, it will save your life if you have permission. Kids, don't go trying this unless you have permission. Please, don't. At the risk of your own safety. Yeah, I think it's dead. If you liked our video, go down, like, subscribe, comment what you thought. And I'll see you next time.